Hi friends, and welcome back to our channel. If you're having trouble with your laptop's touchpad and it's not working, don't worry. In today's video, I'll guide you through 2 simple methods to help you fix the issue. But before we get started, it's important to ensure that the problem isn't related to the hardware. If you're unsure how to check if your hardware is functioning properly, I'll show you exactly how to do it. So, let's dive right in and get your touchpad working again. First, click on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen, then type Settings into the search bar. Once you see the Settings option appear, click on it to open the Settings menu. In the Settings window, go to Bluetooth and Devices on the left-hand side. Once you're there, scroll down slightly until you see the option for Touchpad. Click on it to open the touchpad settings. In this menu, make sure your touchpad is turned on. If it's off, toggle the setting to on. Also, set the cursor speed to medium for optimal performance. To dig a bit deeper, click on More Touchpad Settings. This will open a new window where you can check additional settings related to your touchpad. In the new window, look for the Hardware tab to ensure the touchpad is functioning correctly. Under Driver Status, it should say something like, "This device is working properly." If it does, then the hardware is fine, and the issue is likely software related. Now that we've checked the hardware, let's focus on the drivers. Go back to the Start menu and type Device Manager in the search bar. Click on the Device Manager option that appears. In Device Manager, scroll down to find mice and other pointing devices. Click the arrow next to it to expand the list, and you should see your touchpad listed there. Right-click on your touchpad driver and select Update Driver. This will open a new window with 2 options for updating the driver. Choose the first option, Search automatically for updated driver software. Windows will now search online for the latest driver and install it automatically. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. Once the update is finished, restart your computer to ensure the new driver is properly installed. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your touchpad if the issue was caused by software or driver problems. If your touchpad is still not working after these steps, it could indicate a deeper hardware issue, and you may need to consult a technician. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting tips and tech tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.